Hi, welcome to Miss Jessica's World. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. When you do that, you help my channel grow. Today we're making a flying bat craft. For this craft, you will need 2 paper plates, white, yellow, black, and blue paint, some paintbrushes of different sizes, some googly eyes, 2 popsicle sticks, a stapler, some scissors, some glue, and some glitter. Optional, you can get the stencil printout at the link in the description below. Let's get started. Draw a scene. Draw a bat. Draw a moon. Then cut it out. Paint the plate black. Cut out the bat and paint it black. Add glitter. Cut out the moon. Paint another plate blue. Add white stars. Paint 2 craft sticks blue. Let them dry. Then glue them together at the ends. Paint the windows yellow. You can use a tiny brush for the tiny windows. Add a mouth and eyes. Glue the bat to the stick. Let that dry. Place the black plate on top. Staple the plates together at the edges. Add the moon. Put the bat inside the plates until the stick pops out the bottom. Have fun! I would love to see what you made. You can ask your grown-up to send a video or picture to me at my email at contact@missjessicasworld.com or on Instagram at missjessicasworld.
You can send fan mail to Miss Jessica's World at 1812 Burbank Boulevard, number 927, Burbank, California, 91506.